be on the 16th of October, an Amazon original movie. Ladies and gentlemen, Sardar Udham. We look forward to your support. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Would you all like one more photograph with the four of them? Yes, we'll do that. Yeah. Y'all can come just a little forward. No, the light is bad? Okay. They need to catch the light. Yeah. You want the chairs removed really quickly? Mics are off, right? Yes, all mics are off. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah, I think it would be better if you go from the back. Yeah, yeah. It'll be better if you go from the back.
Hi.
Hi. So Vicky, you also got injured while shooting for this film. You had a cheek injury and you were on biscuits and you were following a liquid diet. So tell us something about that and how did you manage to shoot while, of course, getting injured?
Just before you answer that, sorry. I'm just going to let everybody know that this would be our last question for today. So we can also have the mics go back as well. Thank you. Sorry. Go ahead.
Yes, Vicky, can you proceed?
No, there's some. She's been asking for a long time.
Yeah, Vicky. Awaiting.
To be honest, I did not get injured on this film. I got injured on another film which I was wrapping up 4 days before this film. And I got 13 stitches on my cheek. The first person I sent that picture was to Sujit Da, because in 4 days we were starting Sardar Udham, and he said, "Koi baat nahi, stitches leke aaja, Sardar Udham pe stitches aa jayenge." So the scar that you see on my face on Sardar Udham is a scar that is real, and I actually had 13 stitches on my face. So that's how it got incorporated. But yes, there are different looks in the film, like we mentioned, ki bahut identities thi. He kept changing his name, his passports. He kept traveling across the globe to reach London. तो उसमें कई बार वज़न बढ़ाना था, वज़न घटाना था, डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स हम प्लेइंग फ्रॉम 19 to 40, तो काफ़ी कुछ है जो आपके लिए पिक्चर के लिए बचा के रखा है, तो आप पिक्चर में भी देखिए वो सब. थैंक यू.
All right. Thank you. I know.
For the youth audience, because that's the target audience we are talking about at the moment.
I think, thank you for your question, but I think Sujita just answered the same question. I don't think we are, हमारी जो फिल्म है, इट्स सरदार उधम की बायोपिक नहीं है, उनकी आइडियोलॉजी की बायोपिक है. एंड लाइक ही सेड कि विचारों का कोई समय नहीं होता, विचार पुराने या नए नहीं होते. विचारों जो सत्य की बात कही है कि सत्य कभी बदलता नहीं है, सत्य था, सत्य है, सत्य रहेगा. सो उसी पे फिल्म है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ बायोपिक ऑफ अ पर्सन, इट्स अ बायोपिक ऑन एन आइडियोलॉजी, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट टू पोर्ट्रे. एंड आइडियोलॉजीज पीपल ऑलवेज कनेक्ट टू, बिकॉज इमोशंस पुराने नहीं होते, इमोशंस यूनिवर्सल होते हैं, एंड वो 100 साल पहले भी कनेक्ट होते थे, आज भी कनेक्ट होंगे और 100 साल बाद भी कनेक्ट होंगे.
Hi, this is Komal Panchal from Indian Express. My question is for Sujit Da and Vicky. Sujit sir, you just spoke about how you visited Jallianwala Bagh and that story remained with you because it impacted you. Today when we see the kind of the way historical monuments or this historical sites, the way they they're beautified, and the feeling of sacrifice and all is gone from Jallianwala Bagh. It is just what do you have to say about that?
Well, I can only tell you that Sardar Udham was really a personal journey for me. So as you said that when I visited Jallianwala Bagh, I mean, I just went there, and I'm talking about 1999. But since then, I've been visiting quite often. It's not just that I visited only in 1999. Amritsar has been one of my favorite places where I've been many times. I've done theatre there, I've done street theatre there, traveled from Delhi. So it's really close. So for me, so Jallianwala Bagh as an incident, I think the most important factor for me was what you saw in the trailer, or about Sardar Udham, that he said about that particular incident, that we should not forget it. And the world should not forget this. So I think in that sense, what you're asking is a question about the beautification and all. I think that's not in my hand. In my hand is my expression, that's my cinema. And I create that through my film. But in terms of what you're asking about Jallianwala, I think it is the decision of the authorities. I think whatever they feel right to keep it alive, I think it's purely their decision. I won't come into their way of what they want to do with Jallianwala Bagh. But Jallianwala Bagh for me will always be a place which I will take my children, I will take my grandchildren, I will ask other people, children, everyone to go. And Jallianwala Bagh should be a big section, a chapter in our books. At this moment, what Vicky said is very right, that it's a very small chapter, one page, but I think there should be many, many pages on Jallianwala incident and what happened post that. Shahid Bhagat Singh and Shahid Udham Singh and rest, you know what happened post 1919. I hope you're happy with that answer.
Hi, Ronnie.